Hello and welcome to our how-to video on the auto generation of projects from Opportunity. In this video, we'll be covering off the opportunity generation method, which is one of many ways you can generate a project from an opportunity. And the way this differs from the other generation methods is that it allows you to clone an entire project plan based on the project that is specified as the project template on the opportunity. So this will clone the entire project plan exactly as it exists on the template. So all of the milestones, the actions, the checklist items, with the first action in the project being scheduled to occur on the project start date, based on that project template. So it uses the, so you'll want to make sure the project template, the project start date, the generation method, and the generate project field have been set up for your project to be generated. So let's jump in and have a look at this generation method and how it works. Okay, so I've got an opportunity here where I'll be demonstrating the project auto generation functionality using the opportunity generation method. So before we get into that, I'd recommend having a look at the setup project auto generation training video that you'll find on our website. So if you were to go to aprico.com and then under resources and training videos, you'll find the setup project auto generation training video. So this training video goes through the setup process of updating the page layouts to include the required fields and the related lists. And it also goes through assigning the appropriate permissions needed for this automation, as well as setting up the products that are required for the product generation method. So if you've got this set up, then we can dive into this opportunity generation method functionality. So I've got an opportunity here where I'll set the generation method to opportunity. I'll set the start date to tomorrow. I'll set a project template. So a project template is any project that has the template field set to true. So it's only going to show me the template projects here. So I'll set that to the mission control goal implementation. And then I'll go ahead and set the generate project checkbox to true. So I'll click save. And this will kick off the process that works on generating this new project for this opportunity. So we'll go in here and we'll wait for that to generate. And so we'll have a look at the template in the meantime. So I've got this project here where I've got the template checkbox set to true. So there we go. So I've got the template checkbox true. And if I cancel out here, I've got 4 milestones. I've got the setup, data migration, training, and support, and each with their own actions. So I'm expecting to see these milestones and actions on my newly generated project. And you'll notice the dates are actually in the past, so in 2023. But because I've set a project start date for tomorrow, it's automatically going to adjust all of the dates here to start from that date onwards. So go back here, we'll refresh. So it's generated that project. We'll click into it. And we've got our project set up here. So we've got the 4 milestones, each with their own actions. And then the dates have been set based on the project start date that I specified on the opportunity. Well, that is the opportunity generation method for the auto generation functionality in Mission Control. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us via support or have a look at some of our very detailed resources, including the user guide, the training videos, the knowledge base, and the learning portal. That's it for this one, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.